BND.
BND.
On the Tramlink Rail Replacement to Waddon Marsh.
Such a nice bus. I haven't been in this bus in 2 years, so it brings back memories. Has the high back, I think they're livery seats, I believe. As this is used for private hire and stores as well. So I think it was used on the Epsom races, I believe, and other private hire contracts. And this is the only SN06 that's actually out today, as it's quite a short route, as it only goes to Waddon Marsh.